So today we'll see what is IGS quantization or IGS code. What is IGS? Improved grayscale quantization. It is a lossy technique. It is a lossy compression technique. As we know, the brightness perceived by human being is not dependent on the absolute gray level values. The human eye doesn't respond with equal sensitivity to all visual information. Psychovisual redundancy means the visual information which is not very important like brightness, contrast, color and resolution. This psychovisual redundancy can be eliminated without affecting the subjective quality of the image. By reducing number of bits, that is quantization levels, image can be compressed, but this produces false contouring. The solution for this problem is to use improved grayscale quantization, which reduces the quantization level but also reduces false contouring. So now we'll solve one problem. Okay, so after that your ideas will be very clear. Okay, so today we'll see how to apply IGS, that is improved grayscale quantization on a data set. We have to find out the IGS code. Okay, so here the problem is calculate 3-bit IGS code and the accuracy required is 6-bit given in the problem itself, and we have to also calculate the RMS error. Okay, so the data set has how many gradable values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total are 8 gradable values. We have to find out 8 codes. Okay, so solution we'll see. First thing you have to write this table. Okay, how many levels are there? 8. So you will write from I to I plus 7 and I minus 1 is the previous. Okay, one step before. So we will write all the values 10 to 51 here. See here I have mentioned step number 1. We have to convert each gray level into its binary equivalent. So in digital electronics, that is digital system designing, you have learned how to convert decimal number into its binary equivalent. So if you want to convert this 10 into its decimal into its binary value, you will write this 1010, right? But what they have mentioned 6 bits. So if I want to write this 1010 in terms of 6 bits, I will write 001010. Correct? So I'll write here 001010. Okay. If I want to write 11, how I'll write 11? You have to convert, right? So 001011. Okay. So right here 001011. Okay. What is step 2? For the first value, this is the first value, right? Add 0 to the number. Because there is no previous value is not there. Okay, every time we have to add the previous sum to the current value. Okay, so we'll write here 0000000. So what we have to do is we have to add this lower bits into this number to get this. Okay, so this is what I have shown here 001010 plus 00. I got this. Okay, so I will write it here 001010 and the MSBs. Okay, 3 bits MSBs is the IGS code. Okay, so I'll write here 001. Now next time you have to add this 010 to this number. Okay, so this is what I have shown here. 001011 plus 010. I got this 001001101, and this is your IGS code. Okay, 001. Okay, third time you have to add this 101 into this, so you'll get this, and this is your IGS code. Okay, similarly for all the values. So once you got this IGS code, what we have to do next? We have to convert that into its decimal equivalent. Okay, so all of you know how to convert this into decimal equivalent. So in DSGE, if I had given you this number to convert it into decimal equivalent, what was the procedure? 0 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 into 2, right? So 0, 1, 2. So this will be 2 raised to 0, that is 1, right? But here we can't do that. Why? Because this 001 is coming from MSBs, not LSBs. So the weightage will not start from 0 here. Okay, it will start from 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so this won't be 1, this will be 8. Understood? So the binary, the decimal equivalent for 001 is not 1, but it is 8. Okay, similarly for this 8, this will be what? 10 is what? 10 is 16, right? This will be 16. This will be 16. 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 4. This is also 16. Then this will be 56. You can convert and see. And this will be 48. And this is again 56. Now what we have to calculate? They asked us to calculate the ERMS. Okay. Root mean square value error. So the formula for that is 1 upon mn size double summation f of x comma y minus f bar x comma y square and the square root of everything. So what is mn? Total number of elements 1 upon 8. Okay. Now we will write what was the initial value 10 and the IGS code is 8. So 10 minus 8 square plus 11 minus 8 11 minus 8 square plus 15 minus 16 square plus 13 minus 16 square plus 15 minus 16 square plus 57 minus 56 whole square plus 54 minus 48 whole square plus 51 minus 56 the whole square and square root of entire thing. So after solving this, we'll get this 10.75 is to half. So the value is around 3.2787. So this is the ERMS. So I will give you more problems to solve. If you have any difficulties, doubts, you can call me anytime. Okay.